Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. Given cylinder A, B, C, and E, then the question is which cylinder has the most water and also which cylinder has the least water. You can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now, let's answer this question together. So given cylinder A, B, C, and D, and we want to find which cylinder has the most water and the least water. Therefore, to answer this question, we need to find what is the volume of cylinder A, cylinder B, cylinder C, D, and E. And we need the formula for the volume. And the volume of the cylinder is given by this formula, pi times r squared times h, wherein this r is the radius and this h is the height. Now, since we want the radius, take note that cylinder A has a diameter of 5. Therefore, its radius is half of 5 or simply 5 over 2. Now, the radius of cylinder B is just half of 4 or simply 2. And the radius of cylinder C is just half of 3 or simply 3 over 2. Cylinder 2 has a radius of 1. And the radius of cylinder E is just 1/2. Now, we are now ready to find the volume of cylinder A, B, C, D, and E. Now, we know that the radius of A is 5 over 2, B is 2, C is 3 over 2, D is 1, and E equals 1/2. Now, we need also their heights. The height of cylinder A is 1 unit, cylinder B is 2 units, cylinder C is 3 units, and so on and so forth. Now, let's focus on the volume of cylinder A. Now, 5 over 2 quantity squared is just 25 over 4. Now, pi times 25 over 4 times 1 is just 25 pi over 4 cubic units. So, this is the volume of cylinder A. Now, how about the volume of cylinder B? 2 squared is just 4. Now, pi times 4 times 2 will give us 8 pi cubic units. So, this is the volume of cylinder B. How about cylinder C? 9 over 2 squared is just 9 over 4. Pi times 9 over 4 times 3 will give us 27 pi over 4 cubic units. So, this is now the volume of cylinder C. Now, cylinder D, 1 squared is 1 times pi times 4 will give us 4 pi cubic units. And letter E, or cylinder E, the volume is just 1/2 squared or just 1/4 times pi times 5 will give us 5 pi over 4 cubic units. Now, clearly, in this volume, 5 pi over 4 is the least. Therefore, cylinder E has the least water of all the cylinders. And now, which cylinder has the most water? 25 pi over 4 is less than 27 pi over 4. But take note, this 8 pi can be written as 32 pi over 4 cubic units. Therefore, cylinder B has the most water. Now, if you rank them, looks something like this. So, the most water is B, second is C, third is A, fourth is D, and the least is E. Therefore, our answer to this question, which cylinder has the most water, then our answer is cylinder B. And which cylinder has the least water, and our answer is cylinder E. And as always, we are done.